Hi guys, and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I would like to give you an update of our 150-gallon fish tank. It's been 2 years, so it's about time. In this video, I'm going to discuss what's changed. I'm also going to tell you what kind of fish we have and their names, how I interact with the fish and how they interact with me, their personalities, and how they interact with each other. In this video, you are also going to see some shots of the fish tank in the daytime and at nighttime. All right, so let's get started. Introducing first, we have two Severum fish. The big one's name is Millie and the little one's name is Vanillie, and they are 5 years old. And then we have two orange parrotfish. The big parrotfish name is Bobo, and the smaller parrotfish name is Flo. Bobo, the big parrotfish, is 10 years old, and Flo, the small orange fish, is 7 years old. And finally, we have one Plecostomus named George, and he is 3 years old. We have a total of 5 fish, and a lot of people ask us, why do you only have 5? And we always tell them, well, they all get along with each other, and less fish means it's easier to clean out the tank. So what has changed with our 150-gallon aquarium? Not much. We pretty much keep it like this. We have a log in there. We have a few plants in there. They're not real plants, but we switch up the scenery every now and then when we clean out the tank. And we still have the white sand and black sand mixed together, the salt and pepper sand combination we call it. We have two glow-in-the-dark jellyfish toys for the fish. They love them. They love to poke at them and bump into them. That turtle shell you see next to the pink plant, the two orange fish, the two parrotfish, that is their home. That's their territory. They claimed the turtle shell right away. Millie and Vanillie, they didn't mark any territory. They kind of just swim around the whole entire tank, but sometimes I catch them hiding behind the pink plant right over there. And then there's George, our Plecofish. He loves to hide behind the wood log, and you catch him come out sometimes like just to suck on the tank. And George, he doesn't really mess with anybody. He's not aggressive. He likes to be by himself and hide most of the time. And sometimes you catch him do backstrokes at nighttime or something like that. He's a peaceful fish. But he's also a prankster too, because sometimes he gets me. He likes to play dead, and he'll usually wink at me to let me know that he's just playing. Bobo and Flo, they're best friends. They love each other, and sometimes they hate each other. Sometimes you catch them going at it, but it's usually out of love. They make up right away. They love to be together all the time. And then there's Millie and Millie. They get along most of the time with each other. Millie, the big Severum, he likes to chase the little Severum around. And that's just how they like to play. The two parrotfish are like the boss of the tank. The two parrotfish initiate a lot of chasing with the two Severums. Now, I'm normally the feeder, so the fish and I, we have a cool interaction together. Like, I'll move my finger along the tank and they'll follow it up and down, or if I'm just approach the tank, they get really excited and just come straight to the top of the tank. And one time one of the fish jumped out of the tank. They got so excited, but he was fine. I put him back in the tank, so nothing scary happened. It was just a shock that he actually jumped out of the tank. And finally, here is the remote. This is how we change all the colors and the settings. The fish tank looks really awesome at night. The fish sometimes even look like they have a glow to them, as well as the plants. When friends and family come over, they just love to look at the fish tank and see all the cool colors. And overall, the fish are happy. They get along with each other. They love bloodworms as a special treat. And yeah, that's been an update of the 150-gallon fish aquarium. I'm going to make another video of this fish tank. It's like a 2-hour relaxation video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. And that has been an update of our 150-gallon fish aquarium. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button. Comment, like, and share this video. We appreciate your feedback. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching.